Women's self-objectification is thinking of oneself as an object first and a person second. An obsession with the female form has existed for centuries across different cultures and geographic regions. An over-obsession with the female form without regard to personhood is self-objectification. The reason why researchers conducted the study is to highlight the negative impact self-objectification may have on women's overall well-being.
To analyze the findings, we can use the Sophist theorem, which states that if people define situations as real, they are real in their consequences. Historically, the society, along with different agents of socialization, have objectified women for so long that they began to accept it as true, internalized and adopted to objectification, making it their self-fulfilling prophecy.
Some of the findings in the research that happened through self-objectification were eating disorders, body shame, and many more, but overall, low life satisfaction. According to Rosenberg, all these symptoms make the female have a low self-esteem because they feel like the feedback they're getting from other people isn't going well. But also, medical researchers state that there is an area of the brain that is assigned the task of negative thinking. It's easy to understand that female objectification is a strong sociological attack that women must deal with every day. Only the woman's self-conscience will allow her to positively ignore self-objectification or negatively accept the harsh assumption that she is just an object of the man's desires. Like many authors in the book, Judith Butler, Bell Hooks, and Catherine McKinnon argue that the feminist theory secures the same rights for both men and women. This theory helps us understand the nature of gender inequality. In the article of Female Self-Objectification, Arthur Hargraves examines how women from different ethnicity or sexual orientations are associated with self-objectification. However, he also says that we need to better understand the effects of self-objectification with men. There is evidence to suggest that men feel the pressure to achieve a certain physical ideal well-being as much as women. Basically, feminist theory secures the same equal rights for men and women, but a branch of feminism that can help us best explain gender inequality is radical feminism, which seeks to challenge patriarchy and gender roles in order to improve gender relations.
For future research, the sample must be equally inclusive of both men who also get objectified and women of different races such as Asian, Black, and Latino, since some races are more likely to be sexually objectified. As stated before, different agents of socialization such as media, interpersonal experiences, and subcultures in which sexualization is condoned give consequence to self-objectification, which play a role in the development of health-related problems.